most reliable and budget-friendly ID card printer. Hello everyone, welcome back to Informe Technologies. Myself Hafsan. Today we are introducing most reliable and budget-friendly ID card printer, Matica MC210. One of the smart design feature of the MC210 is front output hopper. Printed cards are collected neatly from the front. The Matica MC210 is a reliable direct card printer designed for professional use. It offers 300 dpi highly resolution printing, delivering sharp text and vibrant colors.